I'm ready. The hell are you doing? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh, you're getting chased by the cops. Told you. I don't want you to turn out like me. No cop scenes. Are you a bad guy?
No, good guy.
How do you know you're a good guy? And no one asked you.
He's the best.
Right, Salvi?
He's gonna be the president of the United States.
Yeah, tell him, say I hate the president. Did you hear me?
Got him.
Got who?
The bad guy.
Who's the bad guy?
The guy the guy, the helicopter guy that's like killing trucks.
Really?
Yeah, it's taking the truck.
Who's he kill?
Well, when he doesn't really kill him, he locks him up. I think that he shoots him.
He shoots him. Come on.
They're cops.
Who do you, what? You just say what the hell? Did you just say what the hell?
I think so.
What? Who said it? What the hell was that? Oh. I mean, I didn't mean to say it, but did you just say it? I'm talking to you.
Which way is the cops?
Don't try to change the subject, you little shit. Did you say a bad word?
He's going better not to say a bad word.
Did you say a bad word, you little shit?
What the hell?
See, you said what the hell again. I told you no more bad words, you little shit.
You said, did you say a bad word? I said what the hell?
Yeah, what the hell's a bad word?